Please read the detailed disclaimer and description, and these videos are meant basically even smaller vessels, then you will be need further micro instruments. So what kind of anastomy we'll do? 5060 will start TTL loops. This is my personal recommended. If you have not bought any loops of trainees and body surgeons understand the technique in a better way. Sutures has to be double arm. You always come inside out. Basically use the single arm. The trick here will be, or even you are anastomosing the femoral artery, they usually 4 to 5 sutures inside out on both the ends. So we came inside out on one end, and then we'll go inside out on the other end. And in a similar way, or approximately 3 to 4 sutures are whole. You take a basically marking suture on the anterior wall, say at